Maybe we should take some time. I think I tend to take you for granted, but I think with me you're misunderstanding. You say you think you might just abandon us. Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure.
Just brought down all the parts of the Christmas tree, and today I'm going to try to assemble all of them.
Take a day, take a week, baby, just stay with me. Baby, just stay with me. Now I smell wine in the bedroom.
The first layer is done, so we successfully assembled it. Then now, before applying the other part, we're gonna put some Christmas lights first, so it's easier to wrap it around.
Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys.
Alright, so we've already assembled the first part together with the lights with the help of my mom. So here's the outcome. And we'll just repeat that process over and over again up until we finish all of the parts.
The morning comes, 'cause yes, I really mean it. I'm half the man when you're not around.
We're finally halfway in completing this Christmas tree.
Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys, find your peace.
Here is our fully assembled Christmas tree without the balls and decorations. We'll do that on another day. For now, we'll be happy with our current progress. Yo guys, welcome to day 2 of building our Christmas tree. And for today, we are going to decorate our Christmas tree with various decorations such as the Christmas balls, the star, and other decorations that I don't know how to describe. So let's begin.
You give me butterflies when you smile and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but I get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? I used to be so quiet, like a flower on your wall, and everything around you made me feel like I was small. But then you said my name. Now it feels so strange. I've been waiting, oh so patient. Now the colors on my room are changing. Oh God, this feels amazing. Starting now with you, and I don't mind. You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but I get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? You give me butterflies.
And that's our experience in building our Christmas tree together with my mom, who is behind this tree. So we've inputted all of the decorations, Christmas balls, the beads, and all other stuff. And later tonight, we'll show you how it looks like together with the Christmas lights. Really stoked to present it to you. Alright, one last thing before we do the night shoot is we have to put this kind of cloth below the Christmas tree. I don't know what it's called. It's like a mat or something. But it's supposed to... You're supposed to put the gifts here actually. So let's see how it goes.
You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but I get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? You give me butterflies. Oh, butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but I get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? You give me